Next, let's set up our shipping. While in your settings here, go to shipping and delivery on the left-hand side. Then from here, open up your general shipping rates. Let's scroll down to our United States shipping zone. And I plan on offering free shipping for my dropshipping store. So I'll remove all of these other options here. So that way I can make one single rate for my US shipping. On your free shipping rate, click on the three dots to open up the settings. Click on Edit Rate. And I'll set the minimum price to $0. Then let's open up the shipping rate here. Then click on Custom. For the rate name, I'll put free shipping. And for the delivery description, I'll put 12 to 20 business days, which will reflect AliExpress's standard shipping option. Now you can customize this to be whatever you want. In my case, I plan on just offering free shipping for any order, but if you want it to only apply to, let's say, orders over $10, you could do that as well. With that done, let's go to the bottom right and click on Done. And if you want to add international shipping zones, go to Add Shipping Zone here. Click on Add More Countries, Regions, and Markets. And click on Create International Market. And here you're able to create an international shipping zone for whatever markets you want to include.